There's like no sound.
Ultra lame.
Mommy!
What?
It was the money.
I think so, babe.
Yeah, I think those are it.
You sit on my lap. Actually, probably not.
Those are it.
Parker, I'm recording a video so we can watch it again.
Boring. The finale's happening. Those are really low right there.
That's cool.
Get it.
You can definitely tell that's it.
Yeah, we see that.
I'm getting bit up so bad. I have no shirt on. That's probably a bad idea.
What the heck is
They
that?
were like starting out like above the trees. Now they're like below the trees. You want to walk out there?
No. That one's good.
Oh.
Oh, that was nice. I like that one. Oh. Ooh, I like that one.
Aww.
That looks like a janky heart. There's something on me. Oh, is that Mario or Luigi? Or something.
Yeah, this is fun.
Chill out, guys. It's not your time. Competition, guys. Holy moly! They're doing good too. We got 2 fireworks shows happening right now. What the? Lightning storm.
They're doing some low.
Oh my!
Boom. Oh.
Oh!
That
Oh!
was so pretty.
Oh! Oh! Is that normal?
Mommy!
We're having sonic booms.
Get here and tell me they're done at Miller Shane in my chair, so I don't.
I'm so sorry.
That was pretty.
Oh!
Oh, I love that.
That was so pretty.
Ooh!
Now the best.
Heck. That one was so cool.
Oh, that's
Wow!
That one was bright. They're so pretty. These ones are so bright.
We got some competition
that was like
over there.
perfection.
So,
Like a meteor shower.
but this is gonna take a really long time.
No, it's not. Ooh. We got competition, guys. We got in competition.
Not worth it.
But at least the fireworks are on top when you go to fireworks.
We got some competition over here. Battle.
What the heck? Oh, I like that one.
Sparkly. Sounds like there's like thunder. Wow, dude, these are sick.
Beautiful, everyone.
Very beautiful.
Oh my gosh, it's just like lightning flashes over there. It's not lightning though, I don't think.
Nachos and a hat. Those are money.
I have monies.
Yeah, but they would be like, no, I think you've had enough.
You'll be able to tell when the finale's happening because it'll be like.
It didn't sound like super low. I do not remember that last time.
Each year's different.
You'll remember them doing a super low one.
I don't remember them doing super high because I don't remember. We do have videos of the other one. Trying to fix the camera real quick. Oh my gosh, my camera just like lit up the night sky.
Oh, the blue ones are fun.
Oh!
Oh, here we
That
go.
was so pretty.
Whoa! They're trying to compete. Sonic boom. Oh! The sun has came. What is going on, guys? All around us, there's fireworks. Literally over there, some over there sometimes, and over there,
So
and then over there behind us.
it was like right there.
360 fireworks.
It's a mouse. I saw an eye.
Yeah, that was.
It's like a snack.
What was that one?
Good. I keep feeling stuff on me. I'm only behind. All you hear is fireworks. There's like fireworks 360, guys. What the heck was that? Oh, boom! Fire. Everybody died. Stuff on my leg right now.
That was like a
Saturn? Yeah.
I like Saturn. What?
What was that?
What was that?
It's cool. I like it. It's cute. Cool.
It's like an orange or
That one was pretty.
Red.
Oh, so sparkly at the end.
Ooh, red and green.
I love when they sparkle.
Ooh. The next one I can tell is gonna be really good. This one. Oh, circle ring.
There's like a bunch of oh wow.
I thought this was the finale. I just see like light. Oh my. Oh. Lightning. Oh. That literally looks like a storm on my camera. It looks like a storm on my camera because it can't see it. Oh, it just randomly appeared.
Wow.
I have so many bug bites right now.
Beautiful. Oh my god.
Fuzzy. It's like a fuzzy one.
Wow, I like that one. Don't drop your apple.
I want to see like a lightning firework. I want to see a lightning firework that looks like a lightning bolt. What is that? That looks so cool. Oh my.
Oh, that was.
There's some big ones over there.
The fire over there is pretty cool too.
They're all good. Oh my. Over there. Gosh dang. They're getting really
I was over there.
peppy.
Stimulus money.
Over there too. I get to see the smoke from all the fireworks. Over there.
Like that.
I hear it over there. The next one's gonna be great, okay? The next one's gonna be great. Ready?
It was pretty.
Oh!
It was beautiful.
Oh,
Is this the finale?
those little golden ones. When is the finale?
In a minute. Or if this is not. Oh, it's sick.
Wow.
I thought I saw fireworks floating in the pasture, the field, but it's fireflies. Right there. I'm getting
Oh,
bit
that
by
was definitely Saturn. That was cool.
Wait, is there a house over
Did I get that on camera? I hope I did.
Oh, wow.
Wow.
It's like
I love those like fading, falling ones. Whoa, big chungus.
kind of.
Oh, they just appear in the sky.
Oh, wow, that's kind of neat.
Over that big one they were doing over there too. That's kind of weird. Woo! Big globe.
Looked like it was coming out.
Oh!
Gosh.
Oh my gosh. Whoa! Oh! It looks like a cone.
I love the ones that trail down too. They're so pretty.
They are pretty.
Falling.
It looks like it's coming towards you. We're gonna be hearing a lot of fireworks tonight.
Well, you need to get some rest. You need to tune them out. Return.
Yeah, right now it's like 10 something.
Well, roll the dice.
Ooh, I like that one. Ring with spider things.
Ooh, that one was
orangish dome kind of. Some of them you can't see going up. They just appear. Boom.
This one's gonna be good.
Oh. Wow, it looks sick. It looks so cool. Oh, it's so cool.
That was cute.
Oh, I like the play.
Oh. Oh my. Why did that remind me of Pop-Tarts?
I love that.
For some reason, it just reminded me of Pop-Tarts. Because like the sprinkles. Whoa. Oh, Fade. Oh my gosh, look back there too. That's not even a part of it. We're not this close to him. I'm just zooming in with my video. Oh my gosh. Look over there. It's crazy. I don't want to really focus it on them. I'm focusing it on there. Those are really good. That wasn't even smiling. It looked kind of. Oh!
Wow.
Oh! Oh! Lightning! Oh! 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 Woo! No. They're getting ready for it. But this is probably it right now.
It's like a line of like 3 stars. Of course.
Who was that?
Jeez, buddy. Chill out. Oh, those look like shooting stars over there.
I need to go somewhere where we can see the spiral arm. I want to see that.
I love space, so. This is the finale. It's gotta be.
And I want to go somewhere
No,
where
I
we
don't
can
think
Oh.
Oh, that one was.
I'm getting bit up.
That one was.
Should have worn a shoe. I should have worn a shirt. Trying to keep this camera steady. Wow. There's like tons of things landing on me. Like, what the heck was that? Oh, we didn't really. Late to the party.
That one was weird.
Oh my gosh, chill out, dude.
Those could come up. Stub their toe.